Hello, learners! Let's learn about colors and numbers with our barn animals. Let's start with this house. This house has a number 1 on its window. Let's count the white dot on its roof. 1. There's 1 dot on its roof. This house has a pink color. Now let's find out which barn animal lives in this house. It's a pig.
Hello, I'm Pig. I love to eat plants, bugs, mushrooms, and flowers.
Now let's check out the next house. This house has a number 2 on it. Now let's start counting. 1, 2. There are 2 dots in this yellow house. Now can you guess who lives here? It's a duck. Now let's check out this house. This is our number 3 house. 1, 2, 3. Let's open it. This is a dog. And this dog lives in a brown house.
Hello, I'm Dog. I'm man's best friend.
We are on house number 4. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. House number 4. Let's try knocking to see who lives in this house. It's a sheep that lives in this house. Hello, I'm Sheep.
I love to eat grasses and hay.
Let's check out this blue house. This is our house number 5. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome work. Now let's go ahead and knock. Knock, 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 knock.
Oh.
It's a rabbit. This rabbit lives in the blue house. Hop, 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 hop. That was so much fun. Which house do you think is next? Yes, this house looks good. Let's go ahead and check it out. This is an orange house. And it's our barn house number 6. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. House number 6. You guys are so good at counting now. Now let's go ahead and knock. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. A little chicken lives in this barn house.
Hello, I'm Chicken. I love to play, run, skip, and flap my wings.
This is our house number 7. Let's count up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 7. Any guesses who lives in this house? It's a cow. You're right. And this cow lives in a black house.
Hello, I'm Cow. I make a moo sound.
Look at how bright this house is. Can you tell me the color of this house? It's green. And it says number 8 on it. Let's count up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you think of a green animal that lives in this house? It's a frog. Both the frog and the house are color green. Let's go ahead and find out what a frog sounds like. Bye, Mr. Frog. Look how nice this house is. This house says number 9 on it. Let's count up to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our number 9 house has a purple paint on it. Now let's find out who lives in this purple house. This barn animal is a horse. Would you like to hear how a horse sounds like?
I love to eat pasture grass and tender plants.
We are down to our last house. Let's go ahead and check it out. It's a bright red house. And it has number 10 on it. Our last number. Let's go ahead and count up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good job, kids. Now let's go ahead and knock. What animal do you think this is? It's a cat.
Hello, I'm Cat.
Good job, learners! Now we are done learning the numbers and colors. Let's go ahead and meet the barn animals again. Thank you, farm animal friends. See you again next time.